Hey friends, if the settings app is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the first solution is to try opening the settings app through the keyboard shortcut. Now click on this option here, that is the what do we say, system tray, and click on this all settings symbol, the gear like symbol here. This will open settings, but this is simply a workaround. It is not the complete solution. In case a third-party app is preventing the settings app or impacting it, in that case you can perform a clean boot on your system to isolate the cause. Search for system in configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on apply and then on OK and then restart your computer. Now, if this doesn't work either, then an SFC scan can help, because what other cause can be behind the issue? I mean, if another app is not impacting the settings app, in that case, maybe the system files are corrupt. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Last solution will be to restart the connected user experience service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Now scroll down to C and right click on connected user experiences and telemetry and then select restart. This will solve the problem, and if it did, then please subscribe to our channel. If it didn't, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.